Hi, it's Erin Kendall here, and I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to use my new mockups. Head to Spoonflower and find the design that you'd like to save. Click on See All Products, and then click on Fabric. Then right-click on any of these images and select Open Image in New tab. Scroll back up to the wall hanging because we'll use this flat image for the arched mockup. So again, right-click, Open Image in New tab. Then go up, go to the image, and in the top URL there, look for XS or M, which means extra small or medium, and change that to L for large. And then hit enter, and now you've got a nice high resolution image. Right click, save image as, and save it to your computer somewhere. Then go and do the same for the wall hanging. This one is M, changing that to an L, and then hitting enter, right click, save image as. Then head to Dropbox and save the mockup files. Now they might appear as a grid or a list, not sure how it'll open for you, but either way, just click on the download button and that will download the 4 files. Then you're going to head to canva.com and you're going to click Create a Design. Down the bottom, custom size, and enter in 2000 into the width and 3000 into the height, and then select px for pixels and click Create New Design. Then a new browser window will open up with an artboard. You're going to go to Uploads, and you can see here I've got some logos already that I've uploaded. Then click on Upload Media and select all the swatches at once and click Open, and that will import all the swatch files. Then click Upload Media again, and we're going to import the 2 images that we saved from Spoonflower. Click Open. And then we're going to create a folded swatch mockup first. So drag that over and then resize it. You don't need to hold the Shift button down, just grab the corners and you'll feel it all snap into place. And then click Lock. Then we're going to use the wavy one for the folded swatch card. So drag over the wavy image, resize it however you like, and then right click, send to back, and then you can use your mouse just to adjust it wherever you think looks kind of natural. And then go over to the left and select text, and we can add a heading for it. You can type whatever you want, you can get creative. I'm just typing the design name and positioning that up the top, and then I'm going to change the font. Any font with a little crown next to it is for pro members only, but there are heaps of fonts to choose from, and some of them are pretty good. So I've just got a fun little one here, and I'm also going to drag over a PNG file of my logo so it doesn't have any background on it. It's got a transparent background, and then fiddle around and try and make it look nice. And then I like to change the font to a dark grey rather than the black, and that just makes it a little bit more realistic. Otherwise the black is really harsh on the white background and it does look obviously computer generated. So we're trying to fool people and trying to make them think that it's a real swatch. And you know, considering we're not using any fancy design software, I think this does a good job. Then up to download, and I select JPEG and click download, and now you've saved a pretty swatch mockup file. Then we go to File and create another new artboard, just the same way. Click Upload to access the things that we've already previously uploaded, and this time we're doing the arched swatch card. So just resize that, click Lock to lock that layer, drag over the wall hanging with the nice flat image, because this one looks better on the arch rather than the rippled fabric. Right click, send to back, and adjust it however looks good. Then we're going to add our text again. Position that one down the bottom. There's not as much room on this one to add text. and then change it to the dark grey rather than the black. And then scrolling in, I think the image, it looks a bit bright. So I'm actually going to put a transparent grey overlay, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to go to Elements, click on the square, make it into a rectangle, select dark grey, right click, send backward, not back, send backward, and then up there click on the transparency and drag that down. Now you'll think that you might not realize how much difference that makes, but if I take it down to 0, you can see how bright it is. So I like it around 6, and it just makes it a little bit duller and makes it look a little bit more realistic. So I think that looks good, and it's time to download a JPEG, and off we go, all done.